أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Surah Baqarah, the cow. Verses number 17 to 20. In the previous 10 verses, hypocrites were mentioned, who apparently called themselves believers, but in reality, their faith was just for show. In the next verses, two examples are given about their condition, that they are deaf, dumb and blind. They will not return back.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا
Their example is like that of a person who lit a fire in the darkness.
فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون.
And when this fire illuminated the surroundings, Allah took away their sight and left them wandering in darkness. Now they cannot see anything.
صم بكم عمي فهم لا يرجعون.
They are deaf, dumb and blind, so they will not return to right path.
أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق.
Or the example of the hypocrites is that there is a thunderstorm from the sky around them, in which there is darkness, thunder and lightning.
يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين.
So, they put their fingers in their ears against thunderclaps for fear of death, but Allah encompasses with His might the disbelievers from all sides.
يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم.
It seems that lightning will snatch away their sight.
كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه وإذا أظلم عليهم قاموا.
Whenever there is some flash of light, they start walking in it, and when darkness falls around them, they stand still.
ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم.
And if Allah had willed, He would have completely taken away their hearing and sight.
إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
Surely, Allah is capable of doing everything.